Alright, and we're back. Screws are in.
Hooking a couple of these ribbons up here real fast. Sometimes they're a pain in the butt to get hooked in.
They're really small. That's the ribbon for the digitizer, isn't it?
This one's for the bottom control panel. The
four buttons on the bottom.
4 buttons.
This is a Droid X2, to be exact.
Oh my, it's being a pain in the butt.
This is a video for eddiekeaton.com.
Use the screwdriver to help put it in place there.
You gotta have some good eyes when working on things like this.
There we go. Got it. There's a little fold tab right there. You just push it down like that. And this is the motherboard with the camera already attached. You can actually take them off. Okay, make sure that was out of the way so it didn't hurt nothing. And there's this tab, same sort of tab. You kind of just...
Read about your antenna.
Yep. Just shove her in place and fold that little lip over just like that.
Your big ass fingers going away.
Yeah. This fell off actually. You don't usually take them off.
That's the antenna.
Yeah, it actually just snaps down right over here. As soon as I can get it to you.
Kind of need that for service.
Yeah, kind of. Got tabs in the way, I can't get it. Darn you. Yeah, my fingers are too big for all these little parts.
Ice cream sandwich.
Yeah, you can have some if you want some. Man, she just don't want to go on. Being a pain in the butt.
This video is going to come in 3 parts. I'm uploading it from my phone, and I don't like to use data. So this is the end of video 2. Next video will be video 3. It'll be the end, putting the back completely on and turning the phone on.